All right, so Workbench Editor enable preview from quick open. Controls whether open editors from quick open show as preview. And you know what preview editors are, right? It's when you click a file and, well, actually this was already opened. When you click a file and it has this italic thingy, and you click another file, just these are single clicks, right? And it's reutilizing the same editor. If you double click, you pin it, and then you don't reutilize it anymore. It's going to remain open until you close it. So what's quick open? Quick open is when you press Command P or Control P, and you navigate to another file, right? And this setting pertains to what happens when you select a file here. Let's select the breakpoints as CSS file, for example, and it's open but has a preview, right? And if we navigate to another file, it's going to reutilize that file, right? So this is useful if you use the quick open functionality to just take a look at the files, right? But if you want to keep them open, you want to set the setting to false, because if you set it to false, it will open them and they will remain open. So if you navigate to another one, will keep opening them, and it's not too hard to just Command W, right, or Control W to close the editor. So actually, I would rather have the file open, and also if you have the file opened, you can use, actually let me open a few, so that makes it easier to see what I'm talking about. You can use Control Tab to navigate between those files, between the open files, right? So if we're gonna go back to the settings, go back to the HTML file, it's really easy to just navigate. It's like the Alt Tab in Windows or the Control Tab in Mac, but to navigate between the tabs, you press Control Tab, right? It's really useful. Okay, so this setting to me is more useful set to false, because I don't want to preview, I want to actually open the files.